Hi, welcome to my channel Crazy Colors World. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to show you some unboxing videos and customer reviews also in this video. Please watch up to the end. This is Kurtis catalog. It will be available along with the bag. So one of my customers sent me this. So it's one more video. It's non-catalog parcel. Full sets also available and singles also available. Non-catalog all the piece singles available, so you can take single piece also. For reselling purpose also you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and for wholesale also you can send me a message on my WhatsApp number. So these are the non-catalog piece. It's one more video sent by my customer. She ordered all non-catalog piece. It's one more video one of my customers sent me. It's deep text cotton printed suits, which is having 26 pieces in one set. She ordered one set. So you can order one set in all the catalogs. One set is minimum. Whatever piece it's having, you should take all the pieces in one set. And the non-catalog piece you can take singles also. There is no MOQ for non-catalogs. And these are all customer reviews. Customers sent me message on my WhatsApp number. Whenever they get the parcel, they'll send. And if you are not subscribed to my channel up to now, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.